So we're going to deal with the time varying fields and Maxwell's equations. You must pay attention because the topic that I'm going to teach today is going to come to the examination. I'm going to bring the questions, and if you don't pay attention, you're going to fail and totally fail. Now, time varying fields equation, you know, we're going to do in the first cut, and the cut that will bring from this area. So if you're not paying attention, then you're going to fail, and you'll fail totally. You're going to fail. Now, under the time varying fields and Maxwell's equation, we're going to deal with the Faraday's law, and therefore Faraday's law, we're going to deal with a non-zero value. Write this: a non-zero value of changing t may result from any of these three situations. These situations can bring even that marks. You can just bring these three situations and it will be costing 3 marks. That marks, sorry. So a time changing flux, that is point number 1. A time varying a time changing flux linking a stationary closed path. That is point number 1. A time. Yeah. Then we go to point number 2. Relative motion between a steady flux and a closed path. That is point number 2. Then point number 3 is the combination of the two. Then, so students, in case you find a question asking a non-zero value of, or you are told anything concerning a non-zero value of changing magnetic flux with time, then the point that you're going to give will be the 3 points. Those 3 points. Okay. Then next we're going to do with the negative sign of Lenz's. The Lenz's law indicates that the EMF is in such a direction as to produce a current whose flux is added to the original flux would reduce the magnitude of the EMF. That is the Lenz's law. Okay. And zero value size point at the same that marks and point start to. So a time changing. A time changing flux linking a stationary closed path. Hiyo ni sasa inakata si complete. Then relative motion, a time changing flux linking a time chana hiyo niende ya pili. Relative motion between a steady flux and a closed path. Relative motion between number 3, a combination of the two. Hii ni rahisi. Ya 3 si nitapata 10 marks. Hii nikipata zote ni 3 ni 30 marks. Hiyo naweza pata nikiandika the combination of the two. Hiyo nitakaa na hiyo sasa, hata naweza pata 10 marks. Kwa hiyo hata nikisahau the first 2 nitaandika hiyo ya kwanza.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
This is the card that I told you I will bring to you.
Yeah.
And here are the instructions.
Yes.
Number 1. The card is out of that marks, and I would like you to answer only one question. Another thing, if you have your phone, please bring it to me, because that is an illegal substance in the exam room.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
You have mine.
Okay, please come. You will come for
we are answering one question, sir.
Yes.
Allah. Okay, enough said. Let's take a break.
Here is God. Oh. Continue.
And who can say